What's up, y'all? We back. Looking clean back here, but she ain't perfect. She looking cleaner. Still got some work to do. But I made my way to the front. I'm not done on this side. I just kind of clean it first. So as I'm grinding, it's not just grinding up grease. So I cleaned this side a little bit, grind it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go to the other side. I tell you, this is the worst part of doing this car. It'd be so much easier if it was a frame off. So, yeah. Let me get to cleaning this. Some purple power. I used a vacuum and blowed out like inside of the frame, but I'm gonna do it again. But I did do a good job. There's definitely a lot of dirt under there.